Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 18 by 9 foot by 48-inch pool set and cleaning kit. This set comes with everything you need to enjoy a cool afternoon in your backyard, including the pool ladder, 1,000-gallon sand filter pump, ground cloth, and pool cover. The soft gray laminated pool liner, brilliant white copings, and pool water blue tile print interior make a fashion statement anywhere. The Bestway Deluxe Swimming Pool Cleaning Kit is a great addition to any above-ground pool or pool maintenance set. The kit includes a vacuum and a 9-foot pool skimmer that will clean out the dirt and debris inside your pool. Product benefits: side walls and the wall band are built of Tritech material to resist wear and stand up to all weather conditions. Cleaning kit includes pole with skimmer, surface skimmer, and vacuum. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.